शिरडी साई विश्व साई.
A recital of Satcharitra on Thursdays between 6 and 6:30 in the evening.
Shubham Bhavatu.
गिरिधर नागर कुंज विहारी गिरिधर नागर कुंज विहारी मधुवर संचारी पर्ति विहारी मधुवर संचारी पर्ति विहारी मधुवन संचारी पर्ति विहारी गिरिधर नागर कुंज विहारी.
Why 1-800-578-1904? I said I want a wonderful website for my business.
Yes, you said website at reasonable rate.
And what is TIU Consulting?
Are creators of custom application software.
Are they experts in website development?
Yes. Get details from tiuconsulting.com or call
1-800-578-1904.
ॐ गं गणपतये नमः. वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय कोटिसूर्यसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा.
Namaskar, Sai Ram. I'm Ashok Vyas and you're watching Shirdi Sai Vishwa Sai. Shirdi Sai, Sai Baba, relationship with the divine, how it changes us and how it makes us a little bit more capable of facing the ups and downs of life without losing evenness of mind. That power which helps us in sustaining a sense of joy comes by grace.
गुरु मध्ये स्थितं विश्वं विश्व मध्ये स्थितो गुरुः गुरुर्विश्वं न चान्योस्ति तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः.
And to seek grace and to celebrate the manifestation of this grace, let us proceed in today's episode by meeting and listening to Vishwayogi Vishwamji Maharaj, who addressed just one day before Satya Sai Baba's birthday in 2008 at Sai Temple in New Jersey.
Shirdi Sai, Satya Sai, Prema Sai, Vishwa Sai, Shiva Sai, Vishnu Sai, Brahma Sai. You may call it by any name, but the power is unique. The universal power which is existing in each and every form is only one. There is one thing in everything, and that one thing is nothing, nothing is God. Nothing means Sunya. In Sunya, in nothing, everything is there. Listen to me carefully for a few minutes. First of all, long ago, once upon a time, when there was no infinite universe, infinite universe was not there, then only one point was there. Only one point, there was a point. In that point, the infinite universe is existing. The universal power is existing. All of a sudden, by a divine universal will, great explosion happened. What happened? Great explosion happened. And one voice came out of that point. What is that voice? Om. Om. Om is Akara, Ukara, Makara, Samaikya Swarupa. Akara, Ukara, Makara. A, O, M. Om. That is, from that Om, along with the Om, the power of will came out. Which came out? The power of will. That is the Lakshmi, Ichha Shakti, the power of will. Lakshmi, you all know, you all worship. Who is Lakshmi? Lakshmi is the wife of Vishnu. Who is Vishnu? Vishnu is the omnipotent, omnipresent, cosmic power, universal power, which is existing everywhere. Vishnu means Sarva Vyapaka Vishnu. It's the omnipresent. So, with that power of will, through that power of will, another power came into existence. What is that? Power of knowledge, intelligence. Power of knowledge, intelligence, that is Saraswati. The power of intelligence, immediately, using the intelligence, intellectual power, created the whole infinite universe within seconds. No time, immediately. By divine will, immediately, explosion, immediately, voice came out. What that was? Om, immediately, first the power of will, along with that power of will, power of intelligence, knowledge, and immediately power of action. Ichha Shakti, Jnana Shakti, Kriya Shakti. 3. We are worshipping Trisakti Swarupa, Lakshmi, Saraswati, and Durga. That is Sri. Samaikya, Ichha Shakti, Jnana Shakti, Kriya Shakti, Samaikya Swarupa, Akshara, Sri. Om, Sri. That's why we are calling Om Sri Sai Ram. Why we are calling Om Sri Sai Ram as a divine mantra? Om means Om Icheka Aksharam Brahma. Om is only the Akshara Brahma Swarupa, the Sri. You look into the infinite universe. Whether you live in America, Africa, or Atlantic Ocean, or Pacific Ocean, or Indian Ocean, wherever you be, go above and above. Go above the solar system and go above the Milky Way and look at the infinite universe, cosmos, Rodasi. Wow, what is the great, wonderful creation. Who created? There must be something. There must be somebody who created that universe. Can you tell me? Who is the architect? God. We are calling G-O-D, God. But it is the power, universal power. Inside that universal power, 3 powers are there. Power of will, power of knowledge, and power of action. Universal power.
Words are mere words till they get the support of a voice which is trained and which is full of devotion and dedication, and then those words, those simple syllables become part of the flow of a music which touches our heart and also purifies us in some way. K. Govinda Rao ji is also known as Sangeet Kala Nidhi, connecting to the award that was conferred on him. He has been a sadhak for many decades and has taught many illustrious disciples, shared the wealth of his art, his life. He also performed in 2007 at Sai Temple in Palwin. Here we have glimpses from that concert. Listening to devotees' experiences, we are enriched, and also it strengthens our own conviction, our own faith. Bhanumati Raj ji was generous enough to share some of the memorable experiences about her relationship with Shirdi Baba.
Bhanumati ji, tell me how and when, if you try and recollect, that you felt a special sense of connection with Shirdi Sai Baba.
That happened to us in 1985. Actually, I had a daughter and she had some health problems. And then she used to dress like Baba all the time. She would put the white cloth and just like Baba and everything like that. She couldn't study that good, like even basics like ABCD, she couldn't grasp it and all that. She was hyper and all that, and I have tried to do so many things to help her. And then in Hyderabad, they opened Shirdi Sai Baba temple. They have opened a school over there. And then I went and joined my daughter over there, and all the miracles started over there. She started studying so good, and miraculously she topped the school, and now she's a teacher herself. Wow. She did her master's in Australia. Not only her health-wise, even education-wise, she's whatever today. It's because of Baba's grace. And then me over here in the US, I had health problems too. I had undergone 2 surgeries, and due to Baba's grace, I'm alive today. His blessings are there with us all the time. It's a miracle today I'm alive, and today my daughter also is educated and a teacher. It's all grace of Baba, you know. I struggled a lot in our life. Without Baba's grace, we wouldn't be what we are today.
It is incredible, Sairam, and I'm not letting you go actually. When you stand near Baba, like the place where Baba's presence is invoked, and then devotees come and there is worship and Rudravishek and whatnot, so that adds to a profound feeling of Baba's presence. But then when you hear devotees like her, that also brings a sense of palpable feeling of Baba's presence. So my question to you is, if someone feels a sense of loneliness and isolation, and they want to connect.
Name. That's it, Baba. Just have faith in him. Just say he's there with him, with us. That's it. That's enough. I'm all alone over here. I never feel lonely. He's there with us all the time, and he's with my daughter too, my son, the whole family. We have our school. We are blessed by Baba. We have our own school in Hyderabad, and we have thousands of students who come around in and around Hyderabad, and whoever comes there, they are doing so good in education and quality, very good qualities they develop, and they have Shraddha, Shabari, and they are spread all around in the schools.
Lastly, how do you worship regularly, or if you want to suggest any way which is dear to you, which might help someone in connecting with Baba?
Just say Sai Ram all the time. Whenever you get time, just say Baba, Sai Ram. And wherever you want him to be, in whichever form, he'll be there with you.
She also shared the incidents that took place in 1985 or so when she visited Shirdi with her husband, and there was something special that happened to her. And she is very playful in sharing the response of her husband while he listened to experience of her, which was kind of supernatural in its nature.
Sai Ram, I went to Shirdi in 1985 with my husband and 2 children. And then that was my first visit to Shirdi. And then when I went to touch the Padukas, all of a sudden when I bent down and I just got up, I felt some supernatural power enter into my body. And then I just got up like that. And then I got fever and I started shivering right then. I felt something enter into my body. And then when I told my husband that this thing has happened, and then I feel feverish and shivering. I went normally like a normal bhakt. And then he said, Bhanu, stop acting like that. You look so strange. Everybody's looking at us and all that. And he was getting little shy and irritated. Then from there, we went to Dwarka Mai, to put the udi and all that. And I was shivering and sweating, and they were holding my hand. My children were both small. And then we went to the Dwarka Mai, and then everybody was pushing and all that. And I was asking my husband's help. He didn't listen. So there and then... First time in his life, he got pickpocketed, he lost his purse and everything. So you should always, when I trust God, Baba a lot, and he also, they have walked to Shirdi from Bombay to Shirdi many times, my son and husband. But, you should not feel shy, when anybody tells somebody anything like that, you should trust him. And he gave me the opportunity to serve him from then. Then I got an opportunity to work on this school project, and the first people who made Baba, the son has, with the help of his son, made the first Baba in 1990 in Shirdi, in Bombay. Not 1990, it is 1987, 88. And then I got the opportunity he gave me to make his temple, and the first Murti was made in Bombay, in Charni Road. So the son made it. After that order, they got hundreds of order, and this is one of the murti from the same order which Baba has chosen for me to do it. So I am blessed. Every minute I am blessed. And my daughter's miracle happened like that, Then that's how from Bombay she went to Hyderabad to Sri Sai Public School, and from there, education-wise, you couldn't turn back. I had an Anglo-Indian to teach her, but she couldn't teach. But Baba taught her, and today, her health-wise and education-wise, whatever we are today is because of Baba. When I tell my whole body, every hair, and any time I talk about him, that's it. It stands up.
Bhanumati Rajji, when she says that she's blessed, and standing near her, I feel that I am blessed. And now that you are listening to her experience, I'm sure Baba is asking me to tell you that you are also blessed. So this is all about sharing and growing this flow of the river of blessing of Baba.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
Here we have Sanskrit brothers Srinath ji and Mahadev ji from Sai Temple, Baldwin, reciting these uplifting mantras.
ॐ गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत नः शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम्.
And now the time for the sequence of Sai Charitra Parayana. Today we are in the middle of chapter 11th of Sri Sai Charitra.
ॐ गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत नः शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम्.
हाजी सिद्दीक फाल्के, ये कोई नहीं कह सकता था कि कब श्री साईं बाबा अपने भक्त को अपना कृपा पात्र बना लेंगे। ये उनकी इच्छा पर निर्भर था। हाजी सिद्दीक फाल्के की कथा इसी का उदाहरण है। कल्याण निवासी एक यवन जिनका नाम सिद्दीक फाल्के था, मक्का शरीफ की हज करने के बाद शिरडी आए। वे चावड़ी में उत्तर की ओर रहने लगे। वे मस्जिद के सामने खुले आंगन में बैठा करते थे। बाबा ने उन्हें 9 महीने तक मस्जिद में प्रविष्ट होने की आज्ञा न दी और न ही मस्जिद की सीढ़ी चढ़ने दी। फाल्के बहुत निराश हुए और कुछ निर्णय न कर सके कि कौन सा उपाय काम में लाएं। लोगों ने उन्हें सलाह दी कि आशा न त्यागो, श्यामा श्री साईं बाबा के अंतरंग भक्त हैं, तुम उनके ही द्वारा बाबा के पास पहुंचने का प्रयास करो। जिस प्रकार भगवान शंकर के पास पहुंचने के लिए नंदी के पास जाना आवश्यक होता है, उसी प्रकार बाबा के पास भी श्यामा के द्वारा ही पहुंचना चाहिए। फाल्के को यह विचार उचित प्रतीत हुआ और उन्होंने श्यामा की सहायता की प्रार्थना की। श्यामा ने भी आश्वासन दे दिया और अवसर पाकर वे बाबा से इस प्रकार बोले कि बाबा, आप उस बूढ़े हाजी को मस्जिद में किस कारण नहीं आने देते? अनेक भक्त स्वेच्छापूर्वक आपके दर्शन को आया जाया करते हैं, कम से कम एक बार तो उसे आशीष दे दो। बाबा बोले, श्यामा तुम अभी नादान हो, यदि फकीर अल्लाह नहीं आने देता तो मैं क्या करूं? उनकी कृपा के बिना कोई भी मस्जिद की सीढ़ियां नहीं चढ़ सकता। अच्छा, तुम उससे पूछ आओ कि क्या वो बावड़ी कुएं की निचली पगडंडी पर आने को सहमत है। श्यामा स्वीकारात्मक उत्तर लेकर पहुंचे। फिर बाबा ने पुनः श्यामा से कहा कि उससे फिर पूछो कि क्या वो मुझे 4 किश्तों में 40,000 रुपए देने को तैयार है। फिर श्यामा उत्तर लेकर लौटे कि आप कहें तो मैं 40 लाख रुपए देने को तैयार हूं। मैं मस्जिद में एक बकरा हलाल करने वाला हूं, उससे पूछो कि उसे क्या रुचिकर होगा, बकरे का मांस, नाद या अंडकोश। श्यामा ये उत्तर लेकर लौटे कि यदि बाबा के भोजन पात्र में से एक ग्रास भी मिल जाए तो हाजी अपने को सौभाग्यशाली समझेगा। ये उत्तर पाकर बाबा उत्तेजित हो गए और उन्होंने अपने हाथ से मिट्टी का बर्तन, पानी की गागर उठाकर फेंक दी और अपनी कफनी उठाए हुए सीधे हाजी के पास पहुंचे। वे उनसे कहने लगे कि व्यर्थी नमाज क्यों पढ़ते हो, अपनी श्रेष्ठता का प्रदर्शन क्यों करते हो? ये वृद्ध हाजियों के समान वेशभूषा तुमने क्यों धारण की है? क्या तुम कुरान शरीफ का इसी प्रकार पठन करते हो? तुम्हें अपने मक्का हज का अभिमान हो गया है, परंतु तुम मुझसे अनभिज्ञ हो। इस प्रकार डांट सुनकर हाजी घबरा गया। बाबा मस्जिद की ओर लौट आए और कुछ आमों की टोकरियां खरीद कर हाजी के पास भेज दी। वे स्वयं भी हाजी के पास गए और अपने पास से 55 रुपए निकालकर हाजी को दिए। इसके बाद से ही बाबा हाजी से प्रेम करने लगे और अपने साथ भोजन करने को बुलाने लगे। अब हाजी भी अपनी इच्छानुसार मस्जिद में आने जाने लगे। कभी कभी बाबा उन्हें कुछ रुपए भी भेंट में दे दिया करते थे। इस प्रकार हाजी बाबा के दरबार में सम्मिलित हो गए। बाबा का तत्वों पर नियंत्रण। बाबा के तत्व नियंत्रण की 2 घटनाओं के उल्लेख के साथ ही यह अध्याय समाप्त हो जाएगा। एक बार संध्या समय शिरडी में भयानक झंझावात आया। आकाश में घने और काले बादल छाए हुए थे। पवन झकोर रहा था, बादल गरज रहे थे और बिजली चमक रही थी। मूसलाधार वर्षा प्रारंभ हो गई। जहां देखो वहां जल ही जल दृष्टिगोचर होने लगा। सब पशु पक्षी और शिरडीवासी अधिक भयभीत होकर मस्जिद में एकत्रित हुए। शिरडी में देवियां तो अनेक हैं, परंतु उस दिन सहायतार्थ कोई न आई।
इसलिए सभी ने अपने भगवान साईं से, जो व्यक्ति के ही भूखे थे, संकट निवारण की प्रार्थना की। बाबा को भी दया आ गई और वे बाहर निकल आए। मस्जिद के समीप खड़े होकर उन्होंने बादलों की ओर दृष्टि कर गरजते हुए शब्दों में कहा कि बस शांत हो जाओ। कुछ समय के बाद ही वर्षा का जोर कम हो गया और पवन मंद पड़ गई और आंधी भी शांत हो गई। आकाश में चंद्रदेव उदित हो गए। तब सब लोग अति प्रसन्न होकर अपने अपने घर लौट आए।
सदा निम्बवृक्षस्य मूलाधिवासात् सुधास्राविणं तिक्तमप्यप्रियन्तं तरुं कल्पवृक्षाधिकं साधयन्तं नमामीश्वरं सद्गुरुं साईनाथम्।
And now time for our Sai quiz segment. Last week we asked you how many chapters are there in Sai Charitra, and interestingly some of you have come up with explanation also about the number of chapters. Many of you are thinking, how many chapters? I saw it. Yes, 51 is the number that we consider correct, looking at the Hindi version, translation of Sai Charitra, but the original Marathi had 52. So Bhadra Kali Vanadi mentioned this whole reference of 52 and then 51. She also mentioned that in this translated version, 39 and 50th are combined. 51 is Falashruti and Arati. But just considering that actually it says 51, so taking some of the names who came up with the exact 51 number, Palak Vaidya gave the correct answer. Aruna Sapara also gave the correct answer, but we got a lot of answers which are not 51 answer, but something else, maybe 47, 49. So we are not taking their names for now. But here is today's question. Name that temple where Kakaji Vaidya was a priest. If you have read Sai Charitra, you are familiar with the name Kakaji Vaidya. You have to just write to us name of the temple where Kakaji Vaidya was a priest. Send your answers to shirdisai@gmail.com or text at 917-573-7775. And looking forward to meeting you again next week. This is Ashok Vyas saying Sai Ram. Namaste.
Why 1-800-578-1904? I said I want a wonderful website for my business.
Yes, you said website at reasonable rate.
And what is TIU Consulting?
Are they creators of custom application software?
Are they experts in website development?
Yes. Get details from tiuconsulting.com or call
1-800-578-1904.
गिरिधर नागर कुंज विहारी, गिरिधर नागर कुंज विहारी, मधुवर संचारी पर्ति विहारी।
बाबा नानक दुष्याया, निरंजनी सद्गुरु स्वामी निज बिलसी